Good evening, everyone. Andariki Namaskaram. I know Vikram for a very long time, more than 10 years. இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Um, so this is the first time we were working together. What I like in this is about is dedication. Easier solidலாம், we can easily say that he's done 17 get-ups, but each one of the get-up will take around 7 hours to, I think, 5 hours or something to put the makeup and everything. The dedication he's got towards this film is great, and thanks to PV and my friend Susi. This is our second film together, and I had fun working, so thank you very much.
Good evening, everybody. Um, this is a pleasure and to be part of PV Cinema. I would like to thank everybody, the media and the guests on the dais for coming and giving us their blessings. And I hope this song it'll be a visual treat more than the music. I think it's a visual treat. When you will hear it again and again and watch it again and again, it's going to be a very, very rocking album because it's got a combination not only of good melody, Indo-Western 80 types of 80s type of music, as well as it has those mass beats in it. So overall, a lovely album, a lovely trailers which we have seen. Even I'm waiting to watch the whole movie. All the best to We Need It, as well as to the whole unit. Thank you so much.
Andarki Namaskaram. Firstly, I think I would want to say thank you so much, everyone who's present here. Thank you so much for coming and being a part of this with us. It's a great honor to be here today and to have, firstly, Krish and Susi sir, both the people with who I made my debut in Telugu and Tamil respectively, on the same podium. It's amazing. It's a really nice feeling that you both are here today. Susi sir is an amazing, amazing director to work with. As a newcomer, especially one who doesn't have a good grasp on the language, he was very kind, very patient, and I think everything that I did in Virinte, the credit goes to him. Vikram as a co-star is someone I think I am going to make sure is in my life 10, 20, 40 years from now. And he's more than a co-star today, a really good friend, someone I would call if I needed to talk. So I'm really glad that out of this movie, firstly, I get to learn so much from someone like him. And I think I got to become a better person because I was interacting with someone like him every day. Madhisa is the coolest. You go on location and he'd be like, Diksha, remove the makeup, you know. No, we don't need this much makeup. Get it off, get it off. So my makeup artist had no work to do in the movie because Madhisa didn't want any makeup. And he was so helpful throughout the movie. He was, you know, he would always keep giving you inputs on how you can, you know, look better on camera. And sir, for that, I will always be grateful. Thank you so much. The music has been done by Yuvan Shankar Raja. It's beautiful. It's absolutely brilliant. I love everything that you do. He is so magical when it comes to music. And all the tunes are so different and, you know, they just become a part of the story, which is in itself, I think, a big task to just fit in music so beautifully into a story. And there are a lot of people while I was working in this movie I got to learn from. Primarily K. Vishwanath, you know, who I had a lot of scenes with, who is so energetic and just so cute. He'd get his chair and he'd sit and wonderful human being to be with. Everyone else who was on and has been a part of this team, I would want to say thank you so much because forever in my history you're going to be etched because I'm doing my debut with you. PVP Productions is producing this movie and it's their first and it's my first, so we all are doing this together. And everyone else present here today, Suresh Babu sir, Vivinayak sir, Rajmouli sir, thank you so much for coming and being here with us today. Krish, thank you. It's an absolute pleasure. Thank you all for coming.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. చాలా 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 థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ బీయింగ్ హియర్. ఈ మూవీ గురించి చెప్తే ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అబౌట్ గెటప్స్. 17 గెటప్స్ అంటున్నారు. ఐ థింక్ యాక్చువల్లీ మై బర్త్డే ఇస్ April 17th. ఐ డోంట్ నో దట్స్ మై లక్కీ నంబర్. సో అలా జరిగింది. బట్ ఈ మూవీ గెటప్ గురించి కాదు, ఒక మంచి కమర్షియల్ సినిమా. దీంట్లో ఐఎమ్ అ జిమ్ బాయ్ అండ్ యాక్టర్. దానికోసం ఐ హ్యాడ్ ఎ ఛాన్స్ టు ప్లే డిఫరెంట్ రోల్స్. నేను ఐ హ్యాడ్ టు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ థ్యాంక్ సుసీంద్రన్ అండ్ చీను ఫర్ సచ్ అ వండర్ఫుల్ స్క్రిప్ట్. అండ్ నాకు ఇంత ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చారు, ఇంత స్కోప్ ఫర్ యాక్టింగ్. నేను ఆలోచించిన నాన్న తర్వాత అంత హెవీ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఊరికేని సలోనితో ఒక సాంగ్, రీమా సెన్ శ్రేయతో ఒక సాంగ్, దీక్షతో 2 సాంగ్, చెట్లు చుట్టి ఏదైనా చేసి 2-4 ఫైట్ రిలాక్స్ చేసి హాయిగా ఒక పిక్చర్ చేసి రిలాక్స్ చేద్దామంటే, కానీ ఈ పిక్చర్లో ఇంత గెటప్స్ ఇచ్చారు. సో నాకే ఒక్కొక్క గెటప్కి ఒక్కొక్క పర్ఫార్మెన్స్, చిన్న చిన్న గెటప్, సమ్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ విల్ బి జస్ట్ ఫర్ 5 seconds ఆర్ 1 minute, లేకపోతే యూనో 1 scene 2 scenes అలాంటి. కానీ ఒక్క గెటప్కి వీ రియలీ పుట్ ఇన్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్. అది ఐ హ్యావ్ టు థ్యాంక్స్ సుసీన్, బికాజ్ నన్ను ఇన్స్పైర్ చేశారు. ఒక్కొక్క గెటప్కి అంత ఫ్రీడమ్ ఇచ్చారు. ఈ గేవ్ మీ సో మచ్ స్కోప్. అండ్ ఈ పిక్చర్ యాక్చువల్లీ సుసీన్ ప్లీజ్ మేక్ అనదర్ ఫిల్మ్ విత్ మీ. నేనే చెప్పాలి, బికాజ్ ఈ సచ్ అ వండర్ఫుల్ డైరెక్టర్ టు వర్క్ విత్. అండ్ ఇట్ వాజ్ సచ్ అ వండర్ఫుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. ఐ హ్యావ్ టు థ్యాంక్ మై క్రూ, Madhi and editor sir, Kasi sir, everybody, all the assistant directors. Without them, we couldn't have done this. And the hero of this evening, Yuvan, చాలా మంచి ఫ్రెండ్. కానీ ఇప్పుడు వరకు ఎప్పుడు చూస్తే అన్న ఏంటి పిక్చర్ ఇంకా చేయలేదు, when we do it. So I was waiting for a nice opportunity. I'm so happy that Suseen got us together. Beautiful songs, 5 పాటలు ఉంది పిక్చర్లో ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ ఒక్కొక్క సాంగ్ ఒక్కొక్క ఐడెంటిటీ, ఒక్కొక్క డిఫరెంట్గా చేశారు. ఒక్కొక్క కాన్సెప్ట్, ఈచ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇస్ సో డిఫరెంట్. అండ్ నాకు మై లక్ ఇస్ ఎవ్రీ సాంగ్ నాకు డిఫరెంట్ గెటప్. అండ్ ఇన్ సలోనీ సాంగ్, సో స్వీట్ ఆఫ్ టు కమ్ అండ్ డూ ద సాంగ్ ఫర్ అస్. వండర్ఫుల్ డాన్సర్. అండ్ నాకు డాన్సింగ్ అంత లేదు ఆ సాంగ్లో, కానీ ఒక్కొక్క గెటప్కి యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ వాస్ ఫీలింగ్ వెరీ బ్యాడ్, ఇంకా గెటప్స్ రాలేదు. there's a lot of performance in that. And I was hoping you all could see it. Diksha gurinchi chepte, like she said, I think 40 years, thanks. I hope I'm still in the industry in 40 years. I'd love to work with you even then. Manchi friend, manchi artist, kotta amai, kani inta interest ga oka scene ku she used to come and get so involved. We used to rag her because first movie in Tamil, so roju ragging jarugutundi, but she was very cool about everything. And she's too perfect. Only thing is height koncham ekkuva. సో పబ్లిక్ స్టేజ్లో కూడా నేను చెప్పాను, మీరు అటు సైడ్ వెళ్ళండి, నేను ఇటు సైడ్ వెళ్తున్నానంటే. సో బట్ దట్ ఆల్సో షీఈస్ అడ్జస్టెడ్. షీ సచ్ అ స్వీట్ హార్ట్. జస్ట్ లవ్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ యూ. అండ్ ఇట్స్ అ వండర్ఫుల్ టీమ్. అండ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు పర్సనలీ థ్యాంక్ ద ప్రొడ్యూసర్ ప్రసాద్ గారు అండ్ వినయ్. దే స్పెంట్ అ లాట్ ఆన్ దిస్ మూవీ. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు వరకు ఏం అడిగితే అది ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు కూడా లాంచ్, I was actually saying, okay, Urkini, you can launch the way they've organized it. It's really nice of you all. And now friends, I'd like to thank Vinay, Rajmouli, Krish for being here. 3 of my favorite directors. And Valdo Vachi, now work chusi, when they appreciate it, when they say it's good, thank you so much. I'm really so moved by it. Because always when you work hard, appreciation is so important. And 3 stalwarts in South Indian film industry are saying something good. Thank you very much. I hope you like the film too. And I had to thank Suresh Garu for being part of our release and making this film whatever. And thanks Joanna for being here. So sweet of you to come. And sorry, nenu kuda vote of thanks cheppanu. Thanks Suma. I should actually first of all say thanks to you, because you gave all of us such wonderful introductions. It's like I felt damn good. It was like one film review. Thank you very much. And I left it. And Pradeep Garu. Pradeep was my full picture. We were fighting, but we are such good friends. We're good buddies. It's nice to know that such a bad man has such a good heart. So thanks for being part of our team. And thanks to everybody else. Thank you so much for being here.